Oh, hi my lovelies, how are you doing today? Thank you for being here. My name is Jen and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So what are we going to be doing today? We are going to make some flautas. Now for this flautas, I'm using canned green jackfruit. Yes, this canned green jackfruit has been sitting in my kitchen cabinet for a while now. It's not expired, it's just been there for a while. So I decided I'm gonna use it. I have 2 of these and I'm gonna use it today. Now, jackfruit. So it comes into this big chunks, and what you could do is you can shred them like this. They look like shredded chicken or shredded pork. You know, most vegan use this for like pulled pork. You can make a lot of stuff out of these green jackfruit in the can. So that's what we're going to use for our flautas today. And I have some tortillas, and I have some salad here. Now I'm going to dress it with my ranch dressing. It's a homemade ranch dressing that I made last time. And because I don't have any sour cream, you can top this with sour cream at the end, but I don't have it, so I'm just going to use my ranch dressing. And then you can also use some salsa, you know, just to top your tortillas. What we're going to do is we're going to fill the tortilla, then we're going to fry it. We're going to roll it and then fry it. And then I have some spices here, and then we're just going to saute some garlic and onions. So let me show you first how I shred the jackfruit. It's very, very easy. It comes out really easy. Here are the chunks of the jackfruit. So what you do is, this part over here is kind of tough, but I guess you can use this if you're making some kind of stew, but the top over here is pretty soft. So I just shred it. I just use my hands and shred it. You can use forks and kind of shred it like the way you shred the chicken. But here it's very easy. See, it just pulls apart like that. And yeah, that's the jackfruit. Really simple and easy like that. And then you just shred it. And you can also make some like chicken salad or tuna salad, but it's jackfruit. So that's the really thing about this is you can use it for anything. And it's very bland, that's why you have to season it well. And yeah, you can use it for anything. Okay, so let's start sauteing this jackfruit, okay? Heat the pan with oil. I love using my cast iron because it just gives me that even heat. So I have my garlic, my onion, and a little bit of tomato here, and I'm going to saute everything. And then I have all the spices. So this is chili peppers, smoked paprika, salt, and just black pepper. And this is our seasoning for the jackfruit. And then here I shredded all my jackfruit. So I'm just gonna put everything together, sauteed everything. Alright my lovelies, does it look like shredded chicken to you? Amazing, right? And it has great flavors too because we season them with smoked paprika, which I love. Okay, so now let it cool, and then we're gonna stuff our tortilla with this jackfruit that we seasoned, that we sauteed, and then we're gonna fry it. So now we're ready to fill the tortillas, and you just like a heaping, you know, spoon right there in the middle, and then you fold it. And when you fry it, make sure that this fold is what you're going to how you're going to place it in the pan, okay? So fold side down. Alright, so our pan, I added oil, and now it's heat up and I'm going to fry the tortilla. Like I said, this fold side down. So just like that, okay? Then you keep adding that. So you just fry them until they're golden brown. Okay, my lovelies, the flautas are done. They're nice and golden brown. And now it's time to try it. Okay, I love this whole salad too. I have tomatoes, corn, and I shredded some lettuce and a little bit of green onions. So these are really nice to eat with this flautas. And then I have my ranch dressing. This is a homemade ranch dressing, which I'm gonna give you the recipe also. So let's go ahead and try. That smoked paprika is wonderful, and the crunchiness of the tortilla. I love fried tortilla, so anything that I fry it, oh, it's wonderful. So yeah, this is really great if you are trying to eat more veggies. So make some salad and then saute your jackfruit with some onions and garlic and season it. Like I said, this is the paprika and the chili powder really comes together. Now, also, if you don't like to saute garlic and onions, then you can use garlic powder and onion powder and then combine it with some salt and pepper and the smoked paprika and chili powder. And then just heat the pan with oil and cook your jackfruit for a little bit in that hot oil and then season it. And this is what you get. It's really amazing. And then, like I said, you can serve it with sour cream, some salsa, and I have this homemade ranch dressing. So my lovelies, the recipes that you see here where I post on Facebook or any other social media, you can always go to my website, leanbellaskitchen.com, and get the recipes. Okay, I hope you try this and let me know what you think. And if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.